Industry 4.0 and digitization pose new challenges for companies of all sizes in the logistics sector. COGLAS offers the customized software solution to meet your logistical challenges, regardless of the complexity of your processes. Here is a small feature overview of our innovative software. COGLAS Analytics will quickly recognize your potential for improvement and directly implement it. The products are more quickly received at goods receipt according to specified checklists and are stored in suitable storage areas. The dashboards continuously show you the most important available resources. We optimize stock with batches and remaining life for a quick commissioning of custom orders. Shipping labels for DHL, UPS, and other carriers and forwarding agents will be printed during packaging. Modern interfaces and web pages share the corresponding logistics information from the smartphone, Dropbox, and other sources. At the same time, there is a great focus on the security of your data. With our 35 years of experience, we provide you with high-performance logistics solutions that save you money and resources. For this reason, large companies such as Ford and 𝗲𝗏𝗏 rely on our expertise. We look forward to helping you with your challenges. We would be happy to provide you an online presentation or your own access. Convince yourself at the ease of use and the intelligent functions. If you want to know how logistics works today, come to us.